Put the other one back. This one's a little bit challenge here. Let me see, stick a bit. Let me see how the wire come out. Yep, it's going to come out like this. So, okay. So I had to cut the wire, cut off, and then pull out. Okay, so this one, this side, because there's no screw. Okay, so we're going to slide right back. The wire comes out this side. Okay. Oops. The wire comes out this side. And I almost forgot to put up this one back. Same thing. Okay. Just stick the light back to the same location. Okay. Same location, and then comes out here. See this? Now what we can do is then we remove this one. This one usually I will stick here. Again, this because this kit does end up with NW, so no wire adapter needed. So basically you just plug it here. Okay, and then stick it here. That's perfect. So peel off the tips. Oops. And then just stick to it. Make sure. Okay, make sure stick to this aluminum plate. Well, it's pretty good. Okay, then this one would be come out here on the bottoms. So usually I will add a piece of tape just to secure these wires. And okay, this one do the same thing too. I put it here. Connect this side. It's already set the jumpers. I mean the dip switch. Okay, and then you could do like this. Same thing. Oops. Okay. See that? It's done. It's done. No soldering required. So let's put it back. Take a quick look here. Okay, that's this one I don't want yet. I don't want to damage it, so I have to push all the way down here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, put it back the way it should be. This one. Oops, should be this one. So this is why it keep coming out. Okay, so pretty much that's it. Okay, this one. This I'm too lazy. I didn't take out this one, so it's a little bit. Here you go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So put it right back, and we can fire up the testing. Okay. One or two more screws. Lost one screw. Yeah. Where's the other screw? I find it later. One more. Yeah, I lost one screw. It's actually misplaced. Well, I find it later. But anyway, let's fire up. Take a look. I have a generator here. Let me see what it's the. I have a VGA cable here. I can hook that up. Okay. I have a 12-volt supply here. That's it. Pretty bright, huh? Okay, that's quite easy. Thank you for watching.